Okay. Shall we start the chat session?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So first of all, let me know about your introduction, your personal introduction, your brief bio, your academic profile. Can you hear me?
I will change my audio. I think I'm not. I did not clearly receive a good audio from you, so I remove my earphone. So again.
Yes.
Okay.
Should I pardon?
Yes.
Yes. Would you like to have your? I would like to have your introduction, your personal introduction, brief bio, academic profile.
Again, I just adjusted my audio.
Okay. We would like to have your introduction, your personal introduction, your brief bio, your academic profile.
Okay. So good day to all of you. Good to my fellow researcher. I am Dr. Maria Victoria Castillo Magayon. I am a research teacher in one of school here in Rizal, Philippines. I've been a researcher since 2016. I published various research articles and now indexed in Google Scholar. And I'm also associate member of National Research Council of the Philippines. And I am also a part-time professional lecturer in one of the public or state universities here in the Philippines, which I teach curriculum instruction. And now I am a regular teacher here in Taytay Senior High School. I am teaching research, especially in STEM research, scientific research. And I am really passionate in research. That is my really. I am happy my researches and I also conduct research.
Sorry for interruption, ma'am. Your mic is not working, I guess.
Seminar or clinic.
Sorry for interruption, ma'am. Your voice is cutting.
My mic is not working.
Yes, yes. Now you are audible.
Okay. So I need to repeat.
Yes.
Okay. So again, good day to all, to my fellow researcher. I am Dr. Maria Victoria Castillo Magayon from the Philippines. And I am a research teacher in one of the senior high school here in the Philippines. I am also the research coordinator. I teach research and STEM research. And also I conduct research clinic in other schools. And I am a professorial lecturer in one of the state university here in the Philippines, teaching curriculum instruction. Yes, I am happy to be one of your eminent person in the previous conference. Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. That's really nice. Thank you for the information. Okay, so move to the next question. What was your motivation during COVID era for the research you have presented in the last conference? Your topic was sentimentalities and preparedness of senior high school students in the implementation of face-to-face learning modality. So what was your research?
My motivation actually, I am also a guidance counselor in our school. My motivation actually, during the COVID-19 pandemic, we are in the crisis. And then initiating or planning a program without a baseline data it is not a good idea. So in 3 years during the pandemic, I always have this database regarding the situation for proper planning and implementation of programs and activities in school-based situation. So scientifically, I conducted researches for the for planning and designing activities to counterattack problems encountered by my students. So that is my motivation. At this time point in crisis, scientifically we need to address problem, not just by trial and error. Yeah, that is my motivation.
That's nice, ma'am. That's really nice. Okay, so what's your opinion on attending online conference rather than physical conference? What's your opinion?
Okay, I think we cannot go away with the online because of our situation. But I think for the time being, because we are in this situation, it is very important to attend the online conference because as I have said, we are now in crisis. We should not be restricted our passion in research, no? Collaborating, learning from other researchers. I mean, for me, my reason why I am attending or participating in the conference because from this conference I can have the picture or the picture that I can see the situation from different perspective or from the different countries, and from that knowing, I can analyze or compare our situation. So I can say that okay, I am not just the one encountering this one, experiencing this one. So it's make me comfortable or have peace of mind. Also, other aspect, I learned something from their situation, so I can adapt and apply it in my end. So physical and online conference, I think I advise or I can suggest or recommend to other researchers to be actively participate in this platform, in this either it is online or on-site. But I am actually excited to attend, if possible, the on-site because there is a dynamics, knowing personally, interacting with other researchers, chatting, conversing with them, their practices and their situation in their respective countries. That's what I like during the on-site conference.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am Victoria. It was nice to know you. Okay, would you like to join our next conference in future?
Yes, if there is already a face-to-face, I am willing, and I'm actually preparing for that for the on-site. First, for the conference, I learn a lot, and then of course I meet other researchers for collaboration and sharing of ideas.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Okay, what was your positive feedback about our conference?
Okay, I think that the positive note that I can give to your conference is that the passion of the organizer to to convene the researchers across the globe is amazing. It's amazing. It takes a lot of effort and resources to put all those researchers across the country. Yes,
ma'am.
and congratulations, and I actually amazed to the organizer how they can collate and put these researchers into one place.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Pleasure is all ours. Okay, so we are very excited to see you in our next conference. And what was your future plans, ma'am? Yeah, any future plans? It's buffering, ma'am. Your voice is buffering. Hello, ma'am. Victoria, your voice is buffering. Hello. Hello. Ma'am Victoria, your voice is buffering. Hello. Hello. I think your video is stopped, ma'am.